Alex, what is it?
Isn't that fun? Oh,
Oh.
yeah. That's cute.
Here, let's put these on.
Alex, what is it?
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, put it right through there.
Hey, Daddy, can I see?
Yes, you can watch, okay?
Can I just see
Nope,
it
just
from
you can just watch, okay?
There you go.
Alex, what are they?
What is it? All right, then let's put this
those
on
are
too.
beautiful. Oh, and look.
Look.
Look what Aunt Norma made for you.
Your toe.
Yeah.
There you go. That's exactly where it goes. Right in the middle.
Okay, look.
All right.
Oh.
What color is that?
Your signature.
Do you like it? What do you think?
Tell Daddy, pink is my...
Pink is my signature color.
Say it again. It's what?
Signature color.
It's your signature color? What do you... Hey, Alex, look at Daddy. What do you want to say to Aunt Norma?
You say thank you.
Say, I love it.
I love it.
It's absolutely stunning.
Absolutely stunning.
And thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You want to blow her a kiss? Blow her a kiss.
Do a little twirl for us. Do a little spin, a little dance.
Oh, so beautiful.
Okay. Say night-night. Lex, look at Dad. Say night-night. Thank you, Aunt Norma. I love it. Okay, bye-bye.